Long ago, the Earth knew endless footsteps. The world felt complete. Then humans came, not with hunger, but with greed. Now, only two remain. Two sisters resting under the African sky. They breathe slowly. They blink calmly.
Day and night. Protection that arrived too late. Because no matter how strong the fence is, extinction has already won.
They still trust humans. The same humans who destroyed their home. And one day, when the last one closes her eyes,
there will be no warning, no sound, just the quiet loss of something that will never return.